Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Wallet not showing your cards step by step. So the tutorial today is how to fix Google Wallet when your cards are missing or not showing. First, check your phone number. Google Wallet requires a valid phone number to confirm your identity when making payments. If your number is incorrect or outdated, it can cause issues with cards not appearing. Open the Google Wallet app, then tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Tap Settings, then select Payments Profile. Under Name and Address, you'll see the phone number linked to your account. If the number is wrong, tap the Edit icon. Enter the correct phone number and follow the on-screen steps to update and verify it. Next, verify your cards in Google Wallet. Sometimes cards may not show because they were never added, expired, or need re-verification. Open the Google Wallet app and look through your available cards. Tap on each card, then tap Details at the bottom and make sure all the information is correct. If a card is missing or expired, tap Add to Wallet in the bottom right corner and follow the instructions to add or re-add your card. If your phone number and cards are correct and the issue still isn't fixed, try clearing the app cache. Over time, Google Wallet can store temporary data that may cause the app to not work properly. Go to your phone settings, tap Apps, scroll down and select Google Wallet. Tap on Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, close the app and reopen it. Once you've done these steps, your cards should appear correctly in Google Wallet and be ready to use. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Google Wallet and Android tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want help with another issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.